Savoring Spain, a culinary documentary journey. In the heart of Spain, where the sun kisses the earth and the air is filled with the aroma of simmering spices, a culinary story unfolds. This is a journey through the rich tapestry of Spanish foods, a celebration of taste, tradition, and innovation. Spain's culinary landscape is as diverse as its geography. From the rugged mountains to the serene beaches, every region boasts its own unique flavors and dishes. Our story begins in the bustling markets, where fresh produce, meats, and seafood lay the foundation of Spanish cuisine. As the morning sun rises, the scent of freshly baked bread fills the streets. Pan con tomate, a simple yet profound dish, embodies the spirit of Spanish breakfast. Ripe tomatoes rubbed over crusty bread, a drizzle of olive oil, and a pinch of salt, simplicity at its finest. Moving towards the heart of Spanish gastronomy, we delve into the world of tapas. More than just small plates, tapas represent a way of life. Friends gather, sharing stories and laughter over bites of patatas bravas, jamon iberico, and croquetas. Paella, the jewel of Spanish cuisine, takes center stage. Born in Valencia, this rice dish is a symphony of flavors, colors, and textures. Saffron-infused rice, a medley of seafood, meat, and vegetables, paella is a dish that brings people together. In the northern regions, the hearty fabada asturiana offers comfort during the colder months. This stew, with its rich beans, chorizo, morcilla, and saffron, speaks of tradition and the warmth of home. Crossing over to the coast, the allure of seafood is undeniable. From the sizzling gambas a la gillo to the delicate flavors of pulpo a la gallega, the sea offers its bounty on a plate. Each dish tells the story of the fisherman and the sea. The vibrant streets of Andalusia introduce us to gazpacho, a cold soup that is a refreshing escape from the summer heat. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and bread blend into a dance of flavors, a testament to Spanish creativity. As the day wanes, the sweet tooth of Spain comes alive. Churros con chocolate, a favorite among locals and visitors alike, offers a moment of indulgence. Crispy, sweet, and dipped in rich chocolate, it's a simple pleasure that delights the senses. Cheese, an integral part of Spanish food culture, tells a story of diversity. From the creamy textures of tortilla to the intense flavors of manchego, Spanish cheeses traverse a landscape of tastes, each with its own history. The vineyards of Spain are a significant chapter in our story. Spanish wines, from the robust Riojas to the sparkling Cavas, are a testament to the country's rich viticultural heritage. Each glass tells a story of the land, the climate, and the passion of the winemakers. Innovation and respect for tradition walk hand in hand in Spanish cuisine. Modern chefs, while paying homage to their roots, are reimagining Spanish foods. Molecular gastronomy and avant-garde presentations are pushing the boundaries of what Spanish food can be. As our journey through the world of Spanish foods concludes, we are left with a sense of wonder and appreciation. It's not just about the dishes, but the stories, the people, and the love that goes into each bite. Spain invites you to its table, a feast for the senses, where every dish has a story to tell. This is the essence of Spanish foods, a journey through taste, tradition, and innovation. A journey that, once begun, is hard to forget.